Will the same person be cleaning my house each time, or are you going to send somebody different every time somebody comes to clean my house? It's a common question that homeowners ask, and we're going to answer it for you today. Hi there, I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, if you are a homeowner or you are a house cleaner and you want to know the inside secrets about house cleaning, hit the subscribe button because we come back 5 days a week and we answer your questions from homeowners, from Airbnb hosts, and from house cleaners. And we have shared all kinds of nitty-gritty, dirty details about house cleaning, as well as some really profound ideas that have revolutionized lots of cleaning business owners' businesses. So hit the subscribe button, come back. We are going to be here again tomorrow. I know, super cool. All right, on to today's show. There's a house cleaner that wanted to know, what do you say when a customer says, is the same person going to come back every time to clean my house, or will you have lots of people? Right now, this house cleaner is only one person. So when a customer asks you that question, it's okay to say, right now, I'm only one person, but I'm in the process of hiring people, and I hope long-term, I am not the only person that comes. However, that said, I like consistency as much as you do. And I really want to get the look and feel for your home and find out the way that you love to do things. And so if in the event that I grow and I expand, which I hope to do, I will have other people working with me. And so we have a plan in place where they will train with the main house cleaner. And that way, in the event we have two people, right? The original one and the trainee, that now two people that are familiar with your house, they know your pets, they know your kids, they know the way you love your house cleaned. One of those people will probably move over to be the deep cleaning person, and the other person will be the maintenance cleaning person that we send on a regular basis. If, in the event that the main person ever gets sick, they go on vacation, they call out, they have a family emergency, you will have another person that can come in and clean your house that knows all of the things about the way you love your house cleaned. And so I would love to have the same person every time, but I'm going to guarantee you that my long-term plan is to have 2 or 3 people that are really comfortable in your space that can always deliver the top quality that we are promising to you today. Would that be fair? And if they say, yes, that's fair, okay, now they understand the scope of your vision. Because I hate getting in a situation where number one house cleaner comes in and they do the job and they work for a couple of years, then they try to expand. And then the homeowner's like, oh, no, we only want you. Well, I can't grow and scale my business if it's just me, right? I need extra help in order for me to be able to do more things, and that means I have to have other help. Now, the really scary thing is when you are only one house cleaner and you don't have a replacement for yourself. You can't get sick, you can't call out, you can't go on vacation, you don't get to have family emergencies. And so if that happens, that brings your business down because you don't have a replacement, right? So I really want to encourage you to start thinking big term. At least have a replacement for yourself. At least have one other person that can step in for you. And so if you are only one person and you haven't grown and you haven't expanded yet, I would suggest that you become friends either on Facebook or in a local community club with another house cleaner that you can do reciprocal trades with. And what that means is if you get sick, I will come in if I have an opening and I will help you out. And if I get sick, you come in and help me out. And you work as an independent contractor where they make the bulk of the money and you make a small percentage fee with the agreement that they will not steal your customers. And it has to be a working agreement so that when you go cover for them, you do not steal their customers, right? That is unethical and that's not the way to build a long-term collaboration. So you want to put all of that stuff in place right now. But the easiest way to do it is to answer the question right up front with the customer, and instead of saying, oh yes, I'm the only person that's ever going to come. Not true if you're going to stay in business for very long. You want to say, oh, absolutely not. I hope to have lots of people that will work for our company. And I can always guarantee that it will be somebody that is comfortable with your home, your family, your surroundings, and the way that you like your home cleaned. Someone that makes you feel comfortable in your own space. And what that might mean long-term is that you are person number one, you have another person come in and help you while they get comfortable. Then you have a third person come in and work with them until they both get comfortable. And now you still have the 2 people that can work and replace each other should one get sick or one goes on vacation or what have you. So that might be how you grow your businesses in a rotating scale of people, but you may have one house cleaner that is the main cleaner for that home. So that is what I would recommend, and that is how I would answer that question. because I don't want to find you in a situation where you're scratching your head saying, I was trying to grow my business and yet I'm stuck because my customers only want me. Your business will grow when you learn to replace yourself. I know, it's so hateful, and yet it's so much the key to success. All right, if you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up. Leave your comments in the notes below. We do read all of our comments and we would love to answer yours. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.